Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Personal Capital. If you don't have a Personal Capital account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. Now, enter your first name, last name, email, and a password you wish to use. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Sign Up button. Next, enter your phone number. Then click on Confirm. Now, give information about yourself by entering it on the blank spaces. After entering, click on Next. Next, select your goals from the options provided. You could also state your questions or concerns on the space provided. Then click on Submit. On this page, describe your situation by selecting from the options provided. Then click on Get Started. A pop-up window will appear. To get started, link your account. Now, use the search bar and search for the bank you wish to link. Or you could just select from the financial institutions below. Now, enter your account's login credentials. After that, click on the link button. That's how you sign up for Personal Capital. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.